Welcome back, you guys. Today I have another wig for you. As you guys can see from the title, we are getting back into this red, honey. It's like Christmas. So as you guys can see, it comes in the same box as my last wig did, and the last wig I did a review on with them is the pink wig, so you guys go and check that out. But this is the packaging for this. It is like a rose color and a black, and it has ReadyWig right here in the front. So I'm just going to unbox it for you guys. Y'all can get a first time look at this in person. Well, me in person. Oh snap. Yo, okay, we're gonna get to the hair, but it comes with hair care instructions on this little card right here, and their social media on the back of the card. Also comes with a nude wig cap, we love those, and another pink spray bottle. Cute little travel stuff, and I can't wait to use this, you guys. I will be traveling. It's so pretty. Look at that color. See, I thought it was gonna be like the red on my shirt right here, but it's actually darker. It's like a 99J with like a little hint. It's like a little bit brighter than a 99J. So a 99J is a burgundy color, and this looks pretty much almost just like that. So I'm gonna show you guys the luster and all of that in the wig. It is a little bit shiny, but not too bad. It is soft, you guys, and I am getting a little bit of shedding. So that's that on that. Now, the construction of this wig, it does have a part in it, that deep part, honey. Yes. Excuse me. Part. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you too. And then in the front, y'all can see the little long little baby hairs, and the hairline is a little bit pre-plucked. Don't focus on me, focus on the hair. So it is a little pre-plucked. I won't be plucking it today. It does look natural enough to not to have to pluck it, so that's a plus. And also in the inside, it does come with 4 combs. So it has 2 right here on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. It also comes with 2 adjustable straps, so you guys can tighten it to make it a little bit smaller to fit your head. The lace looks a little bit transparent to light brown, so I don't really know which one it is, but I like it, and the quality is really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on, and then we're gonna razzle dazzle the baby hairs. Okay, okay. Ooh.
And
Ooh, okay, okay. Oh. Oh, my God, my God. This is cute, this is cute. It needs a brush, but it's cute, it's cute. Let me go get a brush because, girl. Okay, you guys, so this is how the hair turned out. It looks really, really good. I'm obsessed, y'all. Like, this hair is bomb.com. Like, let me cut this fan off. Okay, so the real hype about this wig right now is, of course, the color and the hairline of this wig. The hairline is amazing. The baby hairs are in the perfect spot, and as y'all could see, if I don't know if I'm gonna put that in the video, but the sideburns that I did, they just came like literally automatic. I just shortened it just a little bit, but it's perfectly plucked. It's not too much, it's not too little, and I think it looks really good. So I do want to show you guys how flat this wig is. I'm just going to pull it back. No, like, this is bomb. This is tea right here. Like, this thing gets so flat. There's the ponytail right there. It's so slick. Like, if you guys are going for like a slick hairstyle, this would be it. And you don't have to have any of your hair out or anything. So yeah, when you guys are going to check this wig out, just remember, if you move too much around, the hair will start to get a little bit frizzy, as you guys might can tell on video. Right down there at the ends, it's not tangled, but it is frizzy and it does shed a little bit. So whether you guys purchase it or not, it's up to you, but this hair color is bomb. The hairline is bomb. It comes with baby hairs. It comes with a deep part. Like, come on. It's a synthetic wig. You can't get any better than that, okay? So that is pretty much all I have for you guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If I left anything out, comment down below and I will get back to you guys ASAP, okay? And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.